Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. For ready reference, paragraph 5 of the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 2 reads as under. As regards the second suggestion that ex gratia amount facility under circular number F11113 oblique H and F WIHR medical oblique 2020 ICD oblique 112600087 oblique 881 to 90 dated 7th April 2020 be extended for all the nurses and health professionals, irrespective of the fact whether they were specifically assigned COVID duties or not. I say that the answering respondent intends to continue to abide by its existing policy as approved by Council of Ministers of Government of Delhi, as per which only those persons including doctors, nurse, pandemic staff, security sanitation staff, police officials, any other government official, whether belonging to private or government sector, who are deployed for COVID duties by the answering respondent are only eligible for ex gratia payment posthumously. The petitioner's submission is that this facility should be extended as regards the fifth suggestion that nurses must also be provided quarantine facilities for 14 days. I say that as per clause 5.3 of the latest MOHFW guidelines dated 18/5/2020 for managing healthcare workers in COVID as well as non-COVID areas of hospital. Regular quarantine of healthcare workers after duty in COVID areas is not warranted. Clause 5.1 of the said order states that an initial period of 1 week quarantine with further extension of 1 week as per discretion of nodal officer is warranted only in high risk, low risk exposure due to breach of PPE or non-use of recommended PPE. A copy of notification dated 18/5/2020 is Annexure C. In view of the aforesaid submission, it appears that for each and every healthcare professional, quarantine facility is not at all required. It also appears from the guidelines dated 18th May 2020 issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, specially as per clause 5.1 initially period of 1 week quarantine with further extension of 1 week as per discretion of nodal officer is warranted only in the classes of cases mentioned therein. The notification dated 18th May 2020 issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is annexed as Annexure C. The new suggestion concerns extension of the insurance scheme provided under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, the Yojana, to other categories of health workers. Looking into the affidavit filed by the respondent number 1, it appears that the benefit of has been extended to only those categories of healthcare workers who may be in direct contact with COVID patients. Such persons are covered by the said scheme. The details about the Yojana have been narrated in the affidavit filed by respondent number 1, wherein a comprehensive personal accident cover of rupees 50 lakh has been extended to approximately 22.12 lakh healthcare providers, including the community health workers who may have been in direct contact and care of COVID-19 patients and may be at a risk of being infected. For ready reference, paragraph 3 to 7 of the affidavit filed by respondent number 1 reads as under 3 that the Government of India is implementing Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package insurance scheme for health workers fighting COVID-19 with effect from 30/3/2020, which provides comprehensive personal accident cover of rupees 50 lakh to around 22.12 lakh healthcare providers, including community health workers who may have to be in direct contact and care of COVID-19 patients and who may be at risk of being impacted by this. That on account of the unprecedented situation, private hospital staff, retired volunteer, local, urban bodies, contract, daily wage, ad hoc outsourced staff requisitioned by states, central hospitals, autonomous hospitals of central states, UTs, AIMS and INIS hospitals of central ministries can also be drafted for COVID-19 related responsibilities. These cases are also covered under the insurance scheme subject to numbers indicated by the ministry. Stop. Thank you.